It's been so very long since Lady Lucky steals. Do you listen for her song and pray that she missed you dead inside? 'Cause you know it's all insane. Close your eyes 'cause we're going on the demons open. Rush for the royal flush, but you take what you can. Yeah. Just some scotch and cigarettes. You can't have darling going on and though your eyes are bleed. Do you think you're losing? For that royal flush, what the next best thing will do? You want to spend your chips on these rosy lips, and you get me next to you. 'Cause you can't help eating people you finding. You think you're losing. Top 5 reasons why I hate